Welcome. I'm Gail Rice, and I wanted to say hello before my first online writing workshop starts tomorrow. It's a free 10-week writing program called Picking Up the Pen. I'm really excited about this project and hope you'll discover or rediscover the power of writing to transform our lives. I'll be putting up a session every week, which you can view anytime. After 10 weeks, all sessions will still be available. The focus in this first workshop is to introduce you to some writing exercises that I hope will inspire you to look further into this writing practice as a way to explore, restory, and re-energize your life. Later this year, I'll be uploading the full range of my writing workshops, which will be available for a small fee. If you're interested in these workshops, please visit my website. I hope you can join me in this new adventure. Just bring a pen and a paper to a quiet place where you can focus for 20 minutes. I suggest you use a screen bigger than your phone as it will be easier to see. Thanks for being curious. Pick up your pens. See you on Facebook or YouTube.